Hey friends, it's Sharon and welcome back to Beauty and Beyond. So welcome back my friendships. So today I will be doing another test on a mascara, and this time it's going to be from Maybelline, which is their Total Temptation mascara in blue, which is the waterproof one. Although I know this been out in the market for a very long time and there have been a lot of reviews on this on YouTube as well, but I haven't found anything that is, you know, the same eyelashes like me, yung barely there na eyelashes na talaga. When I look up at online reviews yung sa YouTube dito, all I see is yung mga medyo okay naman yung mga eyelashes nila, but I haven't seen anything like my eyelashes. So I decided that it definitely needs a review from me kasi I know there will be a lot of people also that have the same eyelashes like me, yung medyo wala na guys. So before we get started on this review, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and also hit the notification bell so that you will not be missing out any of my videos. So let's get started. So like I said earlier that I've seen some videos on this one or reviews on this one, but I haven't seen something or a video that has, you know, a model or yung nagre-review has the same eyelashes like mine, and most of them have fairly okay lashes. They say that this is a very good mascara, especially this one from Blue, which is the waterproof one, and I've seen some reviews locally here in the Philippines as well that they really like this mascara. So I'm kind of a little intrigued on what will this do on my very sparse eyelashes guys, because I'm gonna zoom you in quickly. So French here's my eyelashes. I don't know if you can see. For those who have seen my last review on the Essence one, probably you already know how my eyelashes looks like. But for those who haven't, so here's my eyelashes. So ayan, diba? So sad story on my lashes. So I'm gonna look up. Can you see any eyelashes guys? So this is how my eyelashes looks like. So friends, I'm just going to quickly curl my eyelashes para ma-apply na natin yung mascara. So be back. So ayan friends, I've already done curling my lashes, and I forgot to mention that I got the one in black. I don't know if there are any colors on this one or kung meron siyang brown or something, but yes, like I've said, I got it in black, and this is, ayan, mag-focus ko naman. So this is how it looks like from the inside, the actual mascara. Ayan, medyo malaki siya, fatty. Ayan. Yeah, let's try it. I'm gonna smell it first kasi I don't like heavy scented mascara. Oh my god, it smells sweet. I was surprised. Kamuta, ate is here. Careful. Oh wow. It smells like a candle. This is a new thing for me. I haven't tried a mascara that is, yeah, scented. And the one, by the way, for me, it looks okay naman. Okay lang naman yung wand. Yeah, hindi masyadong malaki, hindi din masyadong maliit. So, I like the spikes. So, ayan. Mag-ano na tayo. I-curl ko ulit yung saglit. Konti lang yung aking, kasi parang bumababa ba. Kasi nga, hard to curl lashes yung aking lashes. So, here we go, guys! So, friends, this is how my eyelashes looks like. Oh, definitely the formula is kind of wet for my liking. Yeah. Pero, I don't know. The scent is so sweet. That's so weird, but this is how it looks like. Yeah, it definitely did some volumizing, and then nakikita niyo na yung aking eyelashes, but I don't know. I'm gonna tell you at the end of this video kung how do I feel about this. So this is the initial look of my eyelashes. It looks a little clumpy to me, no? Definitely volumizing, but there is no lengthening that is happening. So this is my initial, and so I'm gonna do it on the other eye. Ayan. So this is how it looks like on the other eye. Definitely, I could say a wet mascara. And with this very wet mascara, I'm a little scared kasi most probably this will end like making my eyelashes droop after like ano. But we'll see. Yun na yun, guys. So, and then I'm gonna close my eyes. So ayan, I already applied my mascara, and my initial thought on it is that it's a pretty wet mascara, and like I've said, I am a little worried on that part because usually wet mascara makes my eyelashes droop back down. So for now, medyo okay pa siya. When I applied my mascara, medyo may curl pa yung yung lashes ko. So I will be wearing this mascara the entire day, and the time now is, ayan, it's 7:30 in the morning. There is Ati and Baba. So yeah, it's still 7:30 in the morning, and I will be looking for some smudging, some transfers, and definitely yun, yung mga smudging and transfers here sa underneath my eyes, because usually that is my problem with other mascaras. I'm going to compare this mascara with my all-time favorite, of course, which is the Heroin Make Kiss Me mascara. So yeah, that will be our basis, guys. We will be testing this for the entire day, and I will be back for the final update, which is later tonight.
72 hours later.
So hi friends, welcome back. So finally, it's the end of the night, and finally also I will be checking my mascara. I'm so excited to check if the mascara really worked on me, especially the curl portion. I don't know if you know already, but what I've been looking in a mascara is that something that will keep or hold my curl the entire day. So yun lang talaga yung pinaka-important sa akin, guys. I don't care that much with the volume and lengthening, basta nagko-curl lang siya. Those were my only requests from a mascara. So finally, I'm excited to share my final thoughts. So I don't know if you can hear the background noise, but it's currently raining right now, and I really wanted to film this already. I cannot wait anymore kasi I don't want it to be late na. Medyo late na konti, guys. So ayan, so pasensya na din if I'm looking a little rough already kasi nga medyo mainit din today. So are you ready? Pasensya na if I'm so up close to you, but I just wanted to show to you how my mascara looks like now at the end of the night. So ayan na siya. You be the judge. I'm just gonna close my eyes. Ayan. Then look up. Can you still see my mascara? Can you still see the curl? So let's just quickly read the claims of this mascara, because I forgot to mention the claims at the beginning of the video. So I don't know if this is a volumizing mascara, because it did not say anything here. It just says the soft dense lashes and infused with coconut extract. Ayan, yun lang yung sinasabi. Nako-confuse ako sa sinasabi dito kasi may ibang language. And then eto din 89% so lengthened lashes. Meron pala yung claims dito. So 4 out of 5 so bold full volume, no overload. And then 89% so lengthened lashes, and 86% loves their lash look. Ayan, eto yung mga claims niya. And other than that, hindi naman din sinasabi na this holds the curl. Yan. So sinasabi din dito, brush glides through lashes for non-stop buildability. So it's a buildable mascara, but I did not build it to second coat kasi I'm not that second coat type of girl. So I just applied this morning 1 coat of this mascara. So I should have tried that one. So it also says here removes easily. So I don't know, I'm just gonna update or put a subtitle caption here if how does this one will remove later. And yung mga claims niya, volumizing, lengthening, and easily remove. Ayan, so is it really true then? So by the way, guys, it is now currently 7:46 in the evening na. Ayan, and yeah, definitely okay na to check in this mascara. Kasi it's been 12 hours since I've used, I believe, yeah. Around 7:30 or 7:45 this morning ko siya in-apply. So, it's roughly around 12 hours of using already. So, not that bad. So, I'm just gonna quickly say first the pros and then the cons. So, now I'm gonna go over to the pros first. So, definitely, it says here, diba, na 4 out of 5 says that this mascara gave volume to your lashes. Yeah, definitely, I saw volumizing effect here on my mascara, and also a little lengthening, but not that much. Definitely, it has volume, and I did not also see any transferring. Wow. Because this one is waterproof, right? So, but it did not indicate na it is smudge proof or, you know, transfer proof. But definitely, as I'm checking here on my eye, I did not see any transferring or smudging that is happening. So that is a thumbs up for me, definitely. I don't know if I will cry kung magsusmudge ba siya or ano, waterproof ba talaga, because I did not cry today. So now let's talk about the cons. So like I've said in the beginning, that what I've been looking for mascara is something that will hold my curls. So as I'm checking my lashes right now, it still has a little curl into it, but it's not the same as with the hair and make, where until the evening or until the time that I will be going to remove my mascara, I still have my curls intact. But on this one, it has slightly uncurled my lashes. But if I'm going to compare this with the Essence one, definitely this one is better holding the curling department. So it doesn't really hold the curl that much as I was expected it to hold the curl. I don't know if it's just me, the way I applied the mascara, but it is so messy. I need to try using this one again. So in a way where, I don't know, it feels so clumpy, a little clumpy. Maybe it's just still new, that's why it is, what's that called? Clumpy and wet. Kasi the mascara has a wet formula. So I think that's the only con I see on this mascara. Yun lang naman talaga, it did not hurt my curl. But other than that, ano, okay naman siya. So I think I just put a caption here in my video when in terms on the buildability of this mascara, because I forgot to build this into 2 coats or 3 coats. Yan, yun na lang din. Wow. So hopefully I could remember that when I am editing this video. So ayan, so para malaman natin if this mascara is really buildable, kasi kiniklaim din ng mascara na to that it is buildable. So now if you're asking me if I recommend this mascara, if you have the same lashes like me, well, definitely I cannot recommend this mascara. Firstly, it's because it does not hold the curl. If you are like me also that is looking for a mascara that will hold your curl, definitely this will not hold your curls. It is hard really if you have this type of lashes. So secondly, unlike with the Essence one, it is very cheap. That one was only 245 pesos and this one is 399 or 400 pesos. So definitely I cannot recommend this because of the price. Oh my gosh guys, I really have such a high expectation in this mascara, because with all the bustling and hustling on YouTube of how great this mascara is. But thankfully I did this video so that I could also help those who have the same sentiments like me, if you have 0 to none eyelashes. So I hope this one helps you in finding a mascara on your certain problems with your lashes. So I think that's it for today's video, and I hope this was helpful, and also I hope that you've enjoyed watching this one as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, friends, and always remember that makeup is not a mask worn to hide oneself, but rather makes you a better you. Thank you once again, and I will see you on my next video. Bye!